morning guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to add dependencies in UiPath Studio. So let's begin. I am launching UiPath Studio. Till the UiPath Studio is launching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you not subscribed. Okay. So once this UiPath Studio is launched, you will find this type of UI. So in the right hand side top corner you will see process option. So we will click on this process option. After that, this dialog box will open with the title new blank process. Project name we need to give. So we will add how to add dependencies. Okay, and everything we will keep as it is, and we will click on create option. So UiPath Studio will create a project for us. So in in left hand side you can see there is a one panel with four options: project, activity, object, repository, and snippets. Okay, so by default project is selected. So if it is not selected, then we need to select this project tab, and here you can see dependencies option. So we need to right click. So after that you will see one option, manage. So after clicking on this manage button, you will see this type of dialog box. Okay, so here in left hand side we have four options. So we need to click on this all packages. Okay, so you will find all the dependencies. So whichever dependency is required for your project, you can select that, and you can install that dependencies in your project. So for example, I will search for Excel. So it will give me this option. So I will select this second option, uipath.excel.activities. If I want to work on Excel, then I need to install this dependency. So I need to click on this, and you can see in the right hand side we have one option, install. So I'm clicking on this option, install. So it is installing this dependencies in my project. It is installed. Okay, and I will click on save button. Let's see it will add or not. I accept. I will click on accept option. It is loading the project. It will take some time to install the dependencies. Okay, so see, so once this actor dependencies is added, it will see here. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.